have you heard of house hacking? So house hacking is when you purchase a home and then you rent a bedroom or two to some buddies of yours. Now, it's a really great way that you can buy a property and essentially live for free or even making some money instead of it costing you every month. House hacking doesn't work for everybody. I've got 4 little kids. My wife is never gonna let anybody else move into the house because we've got too many as it is. But for a lot of people, especially our younger buyers, maybe somebody who's single, buying even a duplex and renting out a side of it, or buying a single family and renting out some bedrooms can be a really great way to lower your expenses every month. Now, the thing you gotta remember is, even when you're doing this, you still need to be able to afford your mortgage on your own reasonably comfortably. The goal is obviously to then make some money if you can rent it out, but I don't want you to be strapped and getting foreclosed on if your buddy moves out and you've got no renters bringing in income. So you don't want to rely on the rental income, but if you can, if you've got the option, if your stage of life works well, definitely something that you can consider.